Hey guys, it's Wendy Valencia. Thanks for stopping by. I found this video in my computer and I don't know why I never uploaded it. So it was actually filmed several months ago when Mauricio was driving all the time for Uber. Right now he's doing a whole different program and I've asked him to do a couple videos on that for Side Hustle Money. I thought y'all would be interested to see this. It's about how much Uber pays and the monetary side of Uber and how much he works to get that amount of money. So anyway, let's jump into it.
How much do I work? You can work as many hours as you want. But in my case, since I'm just pretty much relying on Uber 100% to earn the cash we need to pay the bills and all that stuff, I need to work my tail off like a lot. So I've been doing it for a while. I figured out the times when it's the best. But literally, I'm working from 8 to 12 hours a day. That's a lot. Driving, okay? Take breaks here and then. You're pretty much driving all day. It's a lot. Why so many hours? Because that's the time I need to drive every day in order for me to make the money for the week, which depending on the budget, but depending on what we have for the month, what I have to make for a week is like something between $1,200 and $1,500. So depending on that, like $100 makes a big difference. I mean, you only work, let's say, 9 hours a week, but if you have to make the extra 100, you have to work 10 hours a day. Sorry, not a week, 10 hours a day, that kind of stuff. So it depends on how much money you need to earn or what is your goal. It says I wanna make this much money, then boom, you'll figure it out depending on where you live and that kind of stuff. You see this Uber in the DC, it's called the DMV area, the Washington DC, Northern Virginia, and the Maryland, which is like north of DC. It's Bethesda and all that stuff. Very busy, always busy. I figure out the time. I don't do it in the mornings. The mornings is pretty busy because you have the commutes in the morning and all that stuff. But I can't because my wife leaves to work early and I have to take care of that, take care of school and everything. So I take care of that in the morning and then I get on the road before noon, 11 or afternoon, whatever. But usually the latest I'm out on the road is 2 in the afternoon. So yeah, it really, how much you work, it depends entirely on how much money you want, how much money you have to pay, and that kind of stuff. But I do work from 8 to 12 hours a day, Monday to Saturday. Sundays, right now I'm not working because in the morning we go to church and in the afternoon I have schoolwork because I'm trying to finish my college, so it's just a lot. So I leave Sundays to do schoolwork. My wife says, talk about the Uber system, the payment system with Uber. Well, that's pretty straightforward. You just when you initially register for Uber, for them to do your background, you gotta submit a bunch of information, driver license, address, and then you have to link your checking account, your bank account with the Uber account. You enter your routing number, your checking account number, that kind of stuff, and that's it. The Uber app tells you every time you complete a trip how much money you earn, and then for the single trip, and then for the day, and then for the week. So you can check that at any given time, which takes me to how much does Uber pay. Basically with Uber you get paid for distance. Time 17 cents, nothing. So yeah, you really pay for the distance. I mean, you get paid for the distance. That's it. Well, as you can tell, I have kind of facial hair, if you can call it that. I haven't shaved in like a month, and this is how much I get. That's it. I look funny. My wife said just shave those hair, little hair that I get in my face, but I do not get a lot of facial hair. That's it. If I don't shave, I just get like little spots, and the hair will just grow longer and longer, and that's it. It's just not like I get all over my face. That's it. I get all my hair here on my head, which I'm good with that. Believe me, I'm happy. I'd rather have the hair here and not on my face. Anyway, just so you know, because you'll see this is that guy. It looks funny, but anyway. okay, this video is really long, and my wife told me to record short videos.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. See ya.